In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an image background in Photoshop the fast way. We're keeping this simple and reliable so you can get clean results in just a few clicks. Start by opening your image in Photoshop. Any standard photo will do. Once it's on your screen, take a quick look at the layers panel, usually docked on the right. Make sure your image layer is selected. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted. This matters because Photoshop's background removal works on the active layer, and if the wrong layer is selected, nothing will happen to the image you expect. Next, we'll use a one-click quick action. Find the Properties panel. If you don't see it, head to the top menu, choose Window, then select Properties to make it visible. With your image layer still selected in the Layers panel, the Properties panel will show options tailored to that layer. Look for the Quick Actions section. There you'll see Remove Background. Click Remove Background. Photoshop will analyze the image, automatically identify the subject, and remove the background in one pass. Behind the scenes, it uses Adobe's subject detection to create a precise selection and then applies it as a layer mask. You should now see your main subject isolated, with a checkerboard pattern indicating transparency where the background used to be. In the Layers panel, you'll notice a mask thumbnail attached to your image layer. That's your non-destructive edit, meaning the original pixels are preserved and can be refined later if needed. A couple of notes to help you get the most from this feature. High contrast images where the subject stands out clearly from the background typically produce the cleanest edges with minimal effort. Complex details like hair and fur are handled surprisingly well, but results can vary depending on lighting and texture in your photo. If the background doesn't disappear everywhere you expect, don't worry, that's often normal with tricky edges. Because the result is a mask, you have the flexibility to make adjustments later without altering the original image data. If you don't immediately see the quick actions in the Properties panel, double check that a pixel-based layer is selected and that the Properties panel is showing the correct context for that layer. Also, remember that this feature targets the currently selected layer only, so keep your focus on that Layers panel highlight. That's it. Open your image, confirm the right layer is active, open the Properties panel, and click Remove Background. Fast, clean, and non